Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop autoplay videos on Instagram. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. And now you have to simply scroll down. And now you will see option of data usage and media quality in the Your App and Media section. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you will see an option called Data Saver. Make sure to turn this on. Once it's turned on, Instagram will reduce the quality of photos and videos and stop autoplay videos when you are using mobile data. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned off autoplay videos on Instagram, saving your data and improving your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.